Welcome to a new video from the Parts channel, answering a question that you have left me. Let's see if a vehicle whose engine uses 5 watts 30 oil can be filled with a more viscous oil. Since the vehicle has a little more than 200,000 kilometers and lately it is starting to consume oil, the first thing to do is find out where it is consuming that oil. That is, look for the problem and solve it, which may be a problem with the PCV valve or the gas decanter, also depending on the engine, or it can be a simple gasket. Okay, find out and fix it. If you add a more viscous oil than the one dictated by the manufacturer, in the end what will happen is that the useful life of the engine will be shortened, because there will be a faster wear of the friction parts inside the engine because the oil precisely is more viscous, and I am not telling you if that vehicle has a turbocharger on top. Find out the problem and solve it, but never throw it in. That it is my advice. A more viscous oil than the manufacturer dictates. Here you have this video. If it has been useful for you, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel.